this is my harvest for the day. um, if you look at it in detail, it's not a tremendous amount, but it's not bad either. We are in between seasons. The summer months have just started. It's hot outside. If you look outside, it's very hot. I'm not going outside, it's very hot right now. And the winter harvesting is almost over, but we still got this cabbage. We're still getting a few of this cabbage. These are just the smaller ones that took time to grow, but now it's getting time to harvest all of them. Tomatoes are coming. They will keep on coming in for, I think, another couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks. The plants are starting to shrivel now because of the heat. Even with the with a good amount of mulching, with watering, so that the roots don't dry out, the sun is having an effect on them. But that's okay. That's part of the seasons. Then you got brinjal. So brinjal is one thing we are getting a good amount of, and the okra plants are just starting to grow. They're still small, so I'm expecting that as time progresses and the plants grow much bigger, we'll get some much better harvest. This is the kind of harvest we have for now. We'll start getting some more gourds now. We'll start getting bitter gourd, bottle gourd, sponge gourd, more okra, and some greenery as well, in terms of spinach and a few other vegetables. Although the majority of green leafy vegetables are basically cooler weather ones, they won't survive. There's just a few that will that grow in this kind of weather. Primarily, these are the kind of things we'll grow. Even the long melon will go away in some more time when the temperature goes much higher. But for now, I'm taking this harvest. These are long melon is pretty tasty. It's like if you take a cucumber, stretch it so that it becomes thinner and longer. But otherwise, the care, the plant, everything is similar. Okay, that's it for this particular video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. That helps a lot. Thank you.